Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning or good afternoon to our fellow friend and our beloved teachers, Madam Afi Darina. Okay. First of all, I will introduce. I am group leader Muhammad Naim bin Abdul Malik. Today, I will tell you. We will present you about our project about the total number of tourism for local and international in 2010 and 2011. And we go to the introduction first. Okay, the introduction will explain about what is the meaning of tourism. Okay, now we should understand the meaning of tourism. Tourism is activity of traveling to the one place to another place for any purpose. Okay, for the tourism is give benefit for our economy, and we learn statistics. We probability and statistics. We should discover about how many income coming from tourism, and after this, our members will explain more about this project. Okay, thank you. I will pass up to the next person.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad bin Nurdin. I am the assistant leader of the group. So, I will explain about the method. So, we choose a few methods to analyze our project, our data. So, the method we use is line graph, bar graph, pie chart, and box plot. So, we conduct a research about tourists in Kelantan in 2010 and 2011. Okay, basically we use bar graph to represent the data regarding the total number of tourists in Kelantan, and we also using line graph to furthermore picture the data. So we also use pie chart to see the percentage of the tourists for each year. So next, I will show you the raw data for our data. The raw data that we get from the internet. So this is the data during visiting in Kelantan in 2010, and you can see that. And the next one is in 2011.
Okay. Hi. Assalamualaikum. My name is Yusuf bin Ishaq, and I'm one of team member of Group 3 from Section 4 Probability.
Okay, still for just I number.
So my part is I want to show to you guys that our line graph, bar chart, and pie chart. So basically this is our line graph. It's contain about how many population of tourists depend on the month in 2010 and 2011. So it's our big line graph, and this one for our foreigner. So we got two people over here. First for the local and second for the international. And after that, I will show you the bar graph. So colorful here, as you can see. First one, we divide into 2 years. First one, which is 2010 and 2011, and got 2 groups. One is local and second is foreign. So from the bar graph, you can see there's a fluctuation between the population of local tourists in Kelantan. Local tourists in Kelantan in 2010, but it's stagnant for the more, I think more, more to stagnant for the foreign tourists in Kelantan in 2010. But for here, in 2011, the number of tourists in Kelantan for the local people widely uniform until I think it's December, November, October, in September quite high. But for the foreigner, it's like a bell shape. Okay. Why we choose Kelantan? Because we all got, actually not got, we choose Kelantan because we know Kelantan is peaceful country, actually state. Sorry. And this one is our pie chart. Pie chart contain the percentage of tourists in Kelantan in 2010 and number tourists in Kelantan that visited in Kelantan in 2011. So from here you can see the percentage in 2010 quite uniform for all month. But for 2011, there's few percentage for the December and January, but quite high for the November and September. And lastly is I want to introduce our box plot. This one is box plot, the total number of tourists in 2010, and lastly total number of tourists in 2011. Our box plot. That's all from me. So this up. Thank you.
Okay, for now, we will go to the result summary. Here, we make a table for you to understand more about result summary. We divide to the two parts. First is 2010 and then 2011. And we make a sub-part for each, local, foreign or international, and total lastly. And then we make all about the mean, total, mean from local, total mean for international and the total. And we go to the medium. We make a first quartile, third quartile, interquartile, variance, standard deviation, and minimum and maximum in every data in local, international, and total. And about these 2 years, okay. And then the result summary is from from all the data we make from the what we call our normal calculation also. Because we want to make tally, not about the system, not about from the art software. It's from ourselves. Okay, and this will explain more about the calculation we get. Okay, thank you. Next.
Hi, I'm Fakhruddin. I'm gonna explain to you about the conclusion that we can make throughout our survey. As you can see, in the bar graph, we see that the total number of population of local and foreigner tourists. But we can say that we can say that the total number of tourists in Kelantan in 2010 is more compared to 2011. We can make inference that this number of the total population for both population will be decreased from time to time. Therefore, in order to prevent this thing from happening, I'd like to advise to our government to increase the infrastructure of in Kelantan, like build highway, build accommodation that can ease the tourists, whether it's local or foreigner. And lastly, I like to say to all the Malaysian citizens that we must keep our country clean and to create image, good image towards all people that visit in our country. That's all for me.
Okay, we already finished to present you about our project, and I want to credit to our sis Akila, and sorry for her absence because he have a family issue right now, and he have contributed a lot of work to make this project successful. And I would like to wish to all of us good luck for our final and work hard. Thank you guys. See you soon.